Oh, hello, internet. Um, yeah, I'm gonna show you how to remove any content that you want using Remove It Permanently. This is a Firefox add-on, and all you have to do is right-click the corner of the content that you no longer want, and you can remove. It'll blink red, and then you know where the content will begin and end. So let's say you didn't want all this crap. See if I can get rid of that. Yeah. Yeah, it's really easy to get rid of everything, but you can always like go back a step. Um, it's getting really tricky. Like added just bullshit in there. So you really gotta get that corner. Yeah, like kind of like that. Alright, I think I removed all the ones I could anyways. Here's finished product. Alright, peace out.